Good morning. Oops. Hey, Hey, Deflect. Hey, Huck. Hi, Ernie. Doug. Good morning, Pierre. Hi. How's everybody? Bonjour. Comment ça va? Abdul. Good morning. Look, it's a rainy day today. Hey, boss. How are you, Abdul? Sandra, hola, ¿cómo estás? Para usted. Hi, Jen. Hi, Freak. Merci beaucoup. Hey, testing. Oh, good to hear, Abdul. Welcome if I missed your name. There were some people who jumped on at the same minute. Hey, SG. Wait. Lindo. 55. It's raining today for sure. How are you, West? Hey, XR. Oh, the flowers are so beautiful. Hi, SL. Oh, work. Where do I ever go? Work and home and home and work. Yeah, I love the flowers really a lot. Hey, Pushkar. How are you? Good morning. Apparently there was this stuck train. Hey, Nam. Hey, Jen. There was a train, my line, the F train last night. Buon dia, Marcello. Hey, Chickif. Hey, Huck. It's like, yeah, it's not hot, that's for sure. We got rain. Yep. Hey, One Candy. Why aren't they going? Okay, now we can go. Aw, I love New York too. Thank you. Brazil. Buen dia. My last boyfriend actually was Brazilian. I'm good, thank you. No, this is the East Village. Look, they're building a new building there. Right where that, I understand you, pero no muy, I really don't speak Portuguese. I wish I did. I speak French and Spanish, so I kind of understand you. Hey, Romper. Yes. Who's that? Samuel. Hi, good morning. Yeah, I'm on my way to work. I'm not due until noon, but I have another deadline. So I'm pulling 12-hour days again. Yay, Samuel. Are you really cold? Push, hi. Samuel, you are regular. I recognize you. I was thinking about you're the one who told me about the hashtag love and getting rainbow hearts. Right? I forgot this morning. Look at those roses. Strew upon her roses, roses. Come on, how could that not just be the most beautiful thing? Out of the dirt and the mud. Little delicate things, so many varieties. Yeah, share the love. Oh, I got 12 seconds to cross the street. Let's see, and pick up the pace. India, welcome. Look, Empire State Building, the top is under clouds. Hey, Zafa. Hey, anybody, if I missed your names, welcome. Look, we have a new mural. They do a new one every 5 or 6 months. I know, it's really rainy. I have to say, this is not one of my... I mean, it's like interesting, but it's just sort of a mess. It's like 12 people decided to paint whatever. It doesn't feel coordinated. Lolly. No offense to the artists. Sebastian, hello. Look, here's me in my raincoat and boots. Boots, umbrella. Hey, Rami. Absolutely, in my opinion. East Village, West Village, they're like villages. We have lots of restaurants and clubs and... Yep, I'm almost at CVS. You're right, you're getting to know my walk. Molly, welcome back. Up here, CVS, then I get on the subway. I just saw something. Hey, Tal. Hey, Husk. Bonjour, comment ça va? Last night, a train, I didn't leave work till 9, so I missed all the problems, but one of these F trains was stuck in the tunnel last night for 45 minutes and pulled into Broadway Lafayette around 7, I guess. Upper East Side. I think you can say that about some parts of Upper East Side, but honestly, there's pockets of real money everywhere now. Tribeca is very wealthy. Soho, West Village, East Village, Upper West Side. Alright, here's me. Good morning. Turn. Turn, turn. Yeah, maybe they've been sitting there all night. Look, no parking. 8 to 6. Well, it's 8. Let's see if they got any tickets. Nope, no tickets. Yeah, if you're coming into New York from another place, probably you should look for housing not in Manhattan, because it's the most expensive. Alright, yeah, I know, right? Okay, I gotta get in the subway. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy the rain or the sun or whatever you have weather-wise. Have fun. And, okay, bye, everyone. Have a great day. Bye, Pierre. Bye, Lolly. Bye, Samuel. Bye. Hey, Zaji, just leaving now. Bye, Pushka. Yeah, it's just my walk to the subway. Alright, ciao, au revoir, merci.